Let's take a look at opening a project and then eventually a project drawing in Autodesk AutoCAD Plant 3D. If you notice, a lot of things are going to take place from the project manager here on your program. So if you look on the left-hand side, you'll see where it says project manager, and it also tells you what the current project is. You'll see where there's a section for P&ID drawings, Plant 3 drawings, any related files. And then all of this comes under the tab of source files. And then you'll see there's also a place for orthographic drawings as well as your isometric drawings. So let's go ahead and change into the project that we're going to do since we're doing some samples here. I have a little sample project set up. So we'll use this drop down here. And if you notice, you can open up a project from an existing folder, open up from Vault, begin a new project. But I'm going to go to this sample project right there and go ahead and call that one up. And you'll notice right away that we have a folder for P&ID drawings and plant drawings. I'm going to go ahead and expand this plant drawing. And I'm going to expand the folder for Area 1 and go ahead and I can either double click on this or right click on this one right here and open up the file. Now, whenever I selected that, you're going to notice that there's a section of details or information here. You see there's some icons right here. If I look at this icon right here, the first one is going to tell me details about the project. It gives you various information such as maybe the drawing number or the name of it, where it's located at, when was it saved, who was it edited by, things like that. If you go here, any drawing that you have highlighted here, you can get a preview of it in this window. And then if you go here, you will get a work history of it. Now, since I have this drawing open, I can go into the status of it and I can perhaps change that into in progress. So now I've changed the status on that one. So that's how we're going to go ahead and open up a project and get into a specific drawing. Okay, so once you've gone through all of that, you can also take a look at where you will see your orthographic drawings. Whenever we get into orthographic drawings, you'll see those in a different section, as well as the isometric drawings. And that's all there is to opening up a project and getting into a drawing within a project.